Hey guys, I'm back, and I know I haven't posted for a while, sorry. Anyways, today's video is going to be another art contest because a lot of you have been asking me to do an art contest, so I'm finally doing one, and this one's going to be a 300 sub special art contest, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let's just move on. Okay, so these are the rules and guidelines and prizes and stuff like that. So this is my 300 subscriber special art contest, and the theme is Christmas because obviously Christmas is coming up. And let's move on to the rules. And the first rule is and you can only have 2 entries per person, and that's maximum. So you can do 1 entry if you want. And another rule is you must be subscribed to my channel. And in the comment section, comment hashtag art contest so that I know you're going to enter if you want to enter. And the entry must be emailed to me on or before the deadline. The prizes are 3 shoutouts in a row, or you can do a collab with me, or you can get featured for a month if not already. And if you don't like any of these prizes, then just give me some ideas of prizes in the comments, and I'll see if I can do that. So the deadline is December 23rd. My email is painting.panda114@gmail.com. So yeah, that's all, guys. And these are all the rules and prizes and stuff for the art contest. And I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, that's all. So shout outs are going to be at the end of this video, which is about now. So let's move on to shout outs. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy participating in the art contest and making all the art if you do participate. And if you don't participate, that's totally fine. And so this week's shout-outs go to Artsy Productions and It's Anika. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. And that's all for now. Bye, guys.